What's up? This is your girl, your favorite entrepreneur, Candace, billionaire Tom. So, I'm back at you. I'm going to use my notes talking about cryptocurrency, the blockchain, and I'm going to start the series. And I'm just relying on information that I have learned. I have invested in myself, learning from some of the best people that know and that has been successful in this game. Let me tell you, some of these people I learned from people who invented EOS, which is a cryptocurrency. I'm learning from the people who invented cryptocurrency. And what I'm gonna do is I'm bringing it to you, things that I have learned, okay, about cryptocurrency and the blockchain game. Like I'm even learning how to program my own cryptocurrency. So that's for another day, later down the road. But right now, we are learning together. Okay, we are learning together. So I'm gonna give you what I have been learning, and here's my notes. Okay, so let's start with the blockchain. Like I said, I've been learning, taking notes from people that already invented, that's already in the top 100 cryptocurrencies. Okay, so it's not just random information. It's just information that people have already, that's in the game, that are successful. People that's actually working with other companies that's producing it. People that's programming their own chips and inventing their own cryptocurrency. It's crazy game. So it's a new invention. It's like the internet 2.0. Do not miss out. So basically, a blockchain is a ledger. Okay, it acts as a ledger. The blockchain, what it does, it also give the ability to audit transaction in real time. So if you a business owner, you don't have to worry about people coming in and auditing your business or having an accountant. On the blockchain does that for businesses. Blockchain, some other things that it's decentralized. Okay, blockchain is behind Bitcoin. So you got the Bitcoin, then you got blockchain. Blockchain is the reason of Bitcoin. Okay, and it's online. Okay, but everybody know that Bitcoin is online cash, digital currency, um, currency of the internet. No companies behind it, no organizations, no governments. It's decentralized. There's no central control. Okay. Again, blockchain, what make Bitcoin works. Okay, it's like a digital stone. It's like the Wikipedia. Blockchain is like the Wikipedia. You know what I mean? And I get more into what I mean by it's the Wikipedia. Blockchain is the Wikipedia of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. So it's like a database, and things that get added to it. So let's say, for instance, somebody have a transaction. So ever since the first Bitcoin transaction, the blockchain keep a ledger, and it just add on to it. So a ledger get created. So you got a blockchain here, and then you got another blockchain. So this is the original, and it get data is get inputted into this block. So once this block is complete, then somebody else make another transaction. This get added on, and it creates a chain. Okay. It can once it's up there, it can never be removed. Never be removed. Cannot be duplicated because it's hard to duplicate it because it's millions of computers that have this information. It's all over the world. Okay. Blockchain shows all the transactions completes over computers all over have copies of it on the ledger. I just said that. Blockchain networks on computers is a public ledger. everybody can see it. You know, it's not private, it's public. Like the banks, they keep everything private. So you don't have, there's good security. You know, you don't have to worry about the security, you know, of it, because everybody has a copy of it. You can even download your own node, and you'll be able to see all the transactions. Okay, the public registry. That's a different topic for another day. The use cases of blockchains. You have the provenance, which is trace the transaction, is track the transaction already in real time. Um, don't need people coming to audit, like accounting and blockchains is more than crypto. The preferences, the ingredients, it's like in food, you can trace back the ingredients in food. Like blockchains give you the ability to trace back the ingredients in food. Let's say you got this farmer over here that feed their cows hay. Okay, they feed the cows hay, and then you can get information on what's in that hay. Like you don't have to worry about trust. In the crypto and Bitcoin world, we says don't trust, verify. Like the blockchains give you the ability to verify everything, all the supply chains, everything. You don't have it's trustless. You can verify. That's what I like about it. I don't have to trust what people say. Oh, because if you think about it, most companies don't know what's in their food. They don't know what they selling. They only know what they added, the value they added, because you got so many different supply chains adding all this other stuff into it. And you just don't know. But with the blockchain, they give you the ability to go back and trace it. It's crazy. I'm loving it, y'all. I'm loving it. I'm glad I'm doing this because this right here, it lets me know how much I comprehend when I went over when I was in my learning process, and it's like it's crazy. I'm loving this. I see the supply chains and works. So they saying the IBM is a big player in the blockchain. So you guys want to look into that, which I already knew that. Y'all see some other stuff coming down the pipeline. I don't want to tell all the information, but IBM, with this COVID, people were able to go with the blockchain. You'll be able to see who got COVID shots or who had COVID using the blockchain. But I didn't spill that beans through like IBM, Bill Gates. But yeah, you didn't hear that from me. I don't know. Anywho, let's get going. So it's just redundant what I already said. So you got the consensus. There are several parties involved. Trustless. All the consensus is being double checked. Okay. Sometimes I don't even know what I'll be writing. Sometimes I make sure someone has. So you can also double check that you make sure people have the funds, remove trust, and verify. And blockchains is built on incentives. Okay, everyone is incentivized to tell the truth. So that's another huge thing. Like miners, like ain't nobody trying to lie because everybody getting paid. Everybody getting paid. Everybody's incentivized to tell the truth. Get paid in the form of cryptocurrency to tell the truth. I think that's good. Incentive is through mining. People gain money to tell the truth. That's what I just said. And then you lose money if you don't tell the truth. I believe it makes sense. Because everybody wants to make money. Point blank, period. Period, poo. Period, poo. Then you got security and immutability. You trust Facebook to store your pictures, okay? You trust a hospital with your records and your information, okay? You trust in you trust in things. Trust cannot be hacked. Okay, you need security. Global Bitcoin uses math and protocol. Everyone uses a global database that everyone uses with blockchains. Internet use math and informational protocols. Bitcoin is value protocol. Okay, you got the internet was created. Information portal. 50% everyone use information got internet was 50% right. Only 50% right because everyone is used the internet. Okay, so it was 50% right, and I said it was only 50% right because there's no value. but there's informational value, okay? So trust the network, global infrastructure, immutability, transactions do not disappear. It's high availability, 24/7, 365 days, and never been offline. Everyone incentivized to keep it running. Some other benefits is other things can be built on blockchains, not just crypto. Mining protect the network. So by mining, it protect the network. Blocks are produced through mining. So the blocks on the blockchains is produced through mining. And the finality, once a transaction has happened, once a transaction has happened, it has happened. It's final. Okay, once confirmed, there's no reversals, no redos. Do business, you can give you the ability to do business with strangers and remove the trust and verify. Transactions cannot be duplicated. And no creating new funds. You can't create new funds other than the ones guaranteed by mining. So there you go. Yo, don't forget to smash that like button if you like this. And if you want more information, I got more coming. Okay, there's more coming to you. So don't forget to hit that smash button. I'm signing off. Love and peace.